Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. I've got a bunch going on right now. Also every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is In the Balm of Your Hands, Greatest Hits Volume 2. I will put a link for all of my different giveaways in the description box down below. Number one rules, you must be a subscriber, so go check those out. So, there is so much drama behind this box. This is the Ipsy Ultimate box. I told you I'd get it, and that my thoughts going into it were to get it for the first month, and then maybe only do it quarterly. There is supposed to be over $250 worth of value in here. Now, because I know there is so much talk about this box, and I want to be transparent with you guys and give you guys my honest thoughts, reviews, everything, I did go ahead and already open this because I know that on the card that they sent with this box, they did not list prices. So I wanted to go ahead and look up all the pricing information so we have the facts to, figure out exactly what we're talking about here. So I do have a code for Ipsy, and what that code does is it gets you some extra bonus points, and it gives me some extra bonus points too if you'd like to use it. So Ipsy started off doing, the $10 a month, usually sample size. Every once in a while they'll throw in a full size. They have upped that price to $12 a month now. There's also the Ipsy Plus, which is $25, where you get 5 full size items. And then this month they started the Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50 a month, not quarterly, a month, where you're supposed to get more full size and a couple of samples in here. And everybody's complaining that they got samples in it, but when you signed up for it, you knew that some of those items were going to be samples because it listed it out there for you. So let's dive in, show you everything that I got. It's supposed to have a retail value of over $250. Does come, the theme for this month was Betty Boop. So it does come with a Betty Boop bag here. It's one of those bags you can kind of play with, on the sequins kind of on the back. This bag is the exact same bag that is in the Ipsy Plus. So because they put the exact same bag in both of them, they put an extra product in here. And some people are asking, well, why did I get this product? I didn't order it. That's the reason for it. And that product is the Tristique Good Vibes Lengthening Mascara. I actually have this because I got it in a BoxyCharm. So there's also a card in here, talks about all the different products. Don't forget the choice is yours. It's time to get personalized on October 23rd. You get to choose one of your Glam Bag Ultimate products, and then using our Ipsy Match technology, we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choices. So this mascara is not on here because it was to take the place of throwing in the same bag. So here is mine that I have. Like I said, I got it in a BoxyCharm Luxe. It's kind of unique that on this end is a little mini curler. And I had the hardest time getting with this. How do you only get like a couple lashes in there? And so I just tried it a couple times and then stopped fighting with it. And then this end is the mascara. This is mine. It's okay. It's not the world's best. It's not the worst. It's just an okay mascara. So because I already have this, and I've already started setting stuff aside for our 500th subscribers, so help us get there, I'll be putting this in one of the upcoming giveaways. So you were able to choose an item, and I chose the Huda Beauty Obsessions Eyeshadow Palette in Warm. It's a versatile palette, offers a gorgeous mix of 8 creamy matte finishes in one duochrome shimmer in earthy tones of chocolate, plum, caramel, and copper. Tip, blend the eyeshadow seamlessly together with a brush or fingertips. Place darker shades in the crease and lighter hues along the brow bone and inner corners of the eye. So Huda Beauty is cruelty free. This does retail for $27. It's a mirror on this side, and how perfect are these colors for the fall? Let's do some swatches because I've had a Huda Beauty highlighting palette, but never an eyeshadow palette. So I'm excited about this. This duochrome in the center here is calling my name. And then so here's what that looks like. And then let's do some of the other swatches here. They're all gorgeous, buttery. So here's what those swatches look like. Some of them I had to really build up, like this super dark one here. I thought it'd be super pigmented. I had to really build it up. And these two I had to really build up as well. This top row, you know, was pretty good. So I like this. I think this is great for the fall. I am excited about this one. So here's where part of it kind of gets kind of tricky, is I threw in some face masks, and they're saying face masks, yes, it's full size, but you're only getting 2 of them, and these retail for $2 each. So it's not really, I guess I was expecting a lot of high-end products in this box, and that's, you know, my own assumption. You know what they say about people who assume things. So I'm excited about these though. They are the SAEM Natural Avocado and Shea Butter Mask Set. The SAEM is a beloved Korean beauty brand that strives to create effective skincare products using naturally derived ingredients. The set of avocado and shea butter masks deeply nourishes skin and delivers hydration. Tip, sit back and relax and smooth this sheet layer over clean skin. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and massage any extra essence into your skin. I do a masking and beauty review series where I try on different masks. And so be on the lookout for these in an upcoming video. There is also one more mask in here, and it's by IBOM. It is the Lemon Verbena Clay Mask, made with skin brightening lemon verbena, rice, and red bean. This clay mask removes impurities, controls excess serum, fights inflammation, and gently exfoliates to reveal glowing skin beneath. Tip, apply an even layer of clay mask to clean skin, avoiding your eye areas and mouth. Let it sit for 5 minutes or until dry. Remove with a wet washcloth. I am in the middle right now of doing a clay and mud mask, so be on the lookout for this one. This does retail for $10. By FARMACY is a green clean makeup Meltaway cleansing balm packed with farm-grown ingredients like sunflower, ginger root, oils, and moringa papaya extracts. The multitasking cleansing balm melts makeup impurities to reveal smooth glowing skin. Tip, massage a generous amount on a dry skin to remove makeup and residue instantly. Rinse well with water or wipe away clean with a damp washcloth. So how I use my cleansing balms, because I do use them, I do it as part of a 2-step when I'm taking off and cleaning my face, taking off the makeup. So first I gently get my face wet, and then I will massage the cleansing balm in, and the balm really helps to break up all of the makeup, especially the eye and the lips area. So I do that. Then I get my face damp just a little bit more and really work that in. It emulsifies it, everything. Don't forget that step. And then I will go in, rinse that off, and then I will do my normal cleansing, you know, with my Clarisonic or whatnot to finish getting everything else off, getting the dirt and everything off. And so that's how I do my 2-step. So I am looking forward to this one. This one does retail for $34 and it is cruelty free. So the next product is, you know, I said that it, this month was kind of in conjunction with Betty Boop, is the Betty Boop Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. It's an Ipster exclusive. Betty Boop inspired cheek palette is here to help you obsess over you. The Peachy Skin Smoothing Blush and Highlighter Trio mix ultra blendable mattes and pearlescent finishes for a lit from within glow. Tip swirl your favorite blush into the pan, tapping off excess and lightly sweep on your apples in an upward motion for a fresh flush. This retails for $10. So there is a mirror on this side, and then here are your colors. I'm not gonna swatch that because, like I said, I've got a big giveaway coming up, and so be on the lookout for this and that giveaway. By Sieste Moi Beauty is a Reflect lip gloss in the shade Opulence. Sieste Moi Beauty believes that being you is the purest definition of beauty. Enriched with a blend of natural and organic oils, this nourishing gloss delivers a subtle everyday shimmer and a whole lot of shine with zero stickiness. Tip: apply the gloss to bare lips for a subtle shimmer, or layer it on the top of lipstick to add a slick of glossy shine. It's just a really almost clear gloss with a little bit of shimmer in it. I think I'm gonna be putting this one in that giveaway too. I don't wear a ton of lip glosses. Sieste Moi Beauty is cruelty free, and this retails for $10. By CELA Crème de la Crème, the very best cream. It's a velvety rich body cream is infused with a potent blend of 6 Canadian botanicals and nourishing antioxidants, vitamins, and omega acids to boost your skin's resilience. Mood lifting grapefruit oils perks the skin and senses. Massage a dollop of the cream all over your slightly damp skin. Pay attention to the areas prone to dryness, such as elbows, knees, and heels. I received a full size of this in the FabFit Fun Box. So the full size of this is $30. So I would say this is one of your sample items. By Colored Rain Cosmetics is an eyeshadow in the shade Glamour. It's a velvety smooth and vegan shadow. It's blendable, richly pigmented, and long wearing, so your eye look will stay strong from day to night. The best part is this foil finish pearly hue is so good on all skin types. Tip: dab this shadow in the center of your lid for a pop of shimmer, or blend it all over your lid for a full-on metallic look. Here's what this color looks like. So I don't necessarily go for single shadows, so I'll be putting this one in the giveaway as well. It is cruelty free and retails for $6.99. By KALEIDO Cosmetics is the Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. KALEIDO Cosmetics is known for creating fun, fearless products that deliver rich pigments and high-quality formulas. This waterproof liquid liner lasts all day, no matter how many raindrops, tears, or beads, or sweat you come your way. Tip: shake this liner well first and gently trace along the lash line. Create a feline look at the corner to add a little drama. I really don't use liquid eyeliners, so I'll be putting this one in the giveaway. It is cruelty free and retails for $8. So here's where I start to have some problems with this box. I got, it is a sample, yes, but I got it in the last Ipsy thing for last month. For just my regular $10 Ipsy bag, I got this one, and it's the Unicorn Glow Long Wear Primer. It's a fun-loving brand, features artful packaging and smart formulas. Jojoba oil, shea butter, and camille Gives the skin illuminating primer a healthy edge. Use it for smooth, long-lasting makeup and happy, nourished skin. Tip, apply moisturizing, smooth, a dime-sized amount of primer all over your skin, then apply to the foundation and makeup as usual. It's okay. It's not my favorite. It's not my worst. It's just an okay primer. This product I am excited about. It is the BioRace Luhu Hydrating Treatment Serum. This intensive hydrating serum by BioRace locks in moisture and keeps your skin soft and supple, ideal for all skin types. It enhances your complexion instantly and can be applied to the entire face after cleansing. Tip, apply a small amount of serum to the entire face for ultimate hydration that lasts. Avoid the eye area. This one retails for $68. I'm excited to put this in my rotation. Lastly, by F.A.R.A.H brushes. It is the Midnight Pro Trio, perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips, and subtle midnight blue tint to the fibers. This trio of brushes is the epitome of luxury. Plus, they're designed by team members, lovers, and 100% vegan and cruelty-free. And there's 3 in here. This retails for $48 for these 3 brushes. In my opinion, F.A.R.A.H brushes is always way overpriced. They're nice brushes, but they're not wow. So putting this one in the giveaway. So let me know what you guys think. Do I think it's worth the $50? I got this that I like. It's $29. The serum wasn't expensive, $68. The balm, you know, another $30. Is it over the $50? Yes. Do I think the retail value of this is over $250? Would I pay $250 for this stuff? No. So if I add everything up, not including the samples, it comes to $260.99. So the retail value is there, but I wouldn't pay $250 for this stuff. I'm not even quite sure if I paid $50 for this stuff, because you can buy them off of the Ipsy a lot of times as the add-ons for $12 each. So that's kind of my thoughts on it. I am going to cancel it for now, and I said going into it that that's what I was going to do. I was going to do it every 3 months. So, and I'm going to kind of wait and see how these next couple of boxes are. If the box, in my opinion, if the boxes are more to my liking, then I'll go ahead and redo it maybe 1 month here, do it like once a quarter like I was kind of talking about. So we'll kind of do this wait and see thing right now. I think that for right now, I'm okay just getting the Ipsy Plus. And I have the Ipsy regular bag, the Glam bag, I think through the end of the year. And then I'm just going to have the Ipsy Plus. I have to kind of really reel in the expenses that I'm spending on these boxes, because it's not pretty. So I think for next year for Ipsy, I'm mainly just going to get the Plus. And we'll kind of see how the Ultimate goes from there. So I got stuff for me, stuff for you. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.